Hey everyone, today we're looking at a 2016 Harley Davidson Softail Slim. This one's in vivid black. Got this really nice aftermarket cowl. Kicks a lot of the wind off of you. We also have the taller T-style bars, the black Harley grips. Everything's been blacked out up here. It looks really nice. We have an aftermarket intake. This is all on the Screaming Eagle 110 cubic inch engine, and this bike is loud. These Vance and Hines pipes do not care. Really clean bike. They've added a passenger seat to it. We also have the heel toe shifter with the floorboards. And lastly, this bike does have ABS front and rear. Come check it out. This is not going to be here long. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.